I'm gonna keep some. I'm not gonna keep all these flowers. I'm gonna keep some. So let's move these flowers. I have like a lot of flowers. Put that down there. Okay, now, y'all know I love my white pumpkins, so we're most definitely keeping like my white pumpkins. That look weird. What is this? I have another sign already. I bought pumpkin pie. Should we save this? I bought this last year. Maybe we're gonna save this sign and put it like, we'll save this sign. Oh man, I got my gloves like last year, girl. This hay like it made me itch so much. What is this? I'll keep this pumpkin. Should I keep this pumpkin? We'll give this to like my mama. I don't. So here it is right now, girl. I'm glad I didn't have to buy like too much, girl, because I still had like some like stuff from last year. So this stuff, this is new. I bought that from Dollar Tree, girl, but this stuff came from like last year. I'm gonna turn that into a candy salad. And then these fall, these are actually last year. This sign I bought this year, it says spooky. I bought that from Dollar Tree, and I love how, I don't know how I feel about that just yet, based I'm probably gonna like keep it, but like I love how like these like leaves just look so cute, girl. I bought last year from Target for only $5, and they got like some more fall leaves there. And then down here we got my little thank you right there, girl. We blurred out, but I'm gonna put my flowers right there, bestie, and there, bestie. So yeah, bestie.